people. So, like I said, this is a product review. People, it's summer season, so basically deodorants and all, is something that, like, as a person, I try to avoid as many these cosmetics as possible. But really, deodorants are something that is unavoidable. And even among the current crop of deodorants, basically I like deodorants where you can see how much quantity is inside. I think that's good. But strangely, I found this particular deodorant called Eva Morning Blush to be very it stays, it's pretty powerful as a perfume, because certain sprays, you spray it and it's gone into the atmosphere, and you will never be able to sniff that the fragrance on you. But with Eva, with regard to any product by Eva, it's pretty it's effective. So I highly recommend. Even among this is a brand, this color my son chose. He likes these bright red colors, but really I've seen this, that Eva Morning Blush is a good product to use. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.